guys, welcome back to Noble Garage. So we got a different car here on the show today. This is Andrew's 2013 Subaru Impreza STI. So today we're going to be wrapping the taillights red. So we're going to show you the process, and if we screw up then you'll know not what to do on yours. So first off, we're going to start with this outer portion here. What we're going to do is the outer portion all red, and then on the trunk portion we're going to do red around the outside and then cut out the middle with knifeless tape. So we'll start with the easy one and see how it goes. Okay, so first we've already cleaned the car, and now we're going to use this rapid tack. So what you do is you spray it on there and then wipe it off, and that'll prep the surface, remove any grease or soap residue left over to give it a nice clean surface for the wrap to apply to. So we're going to clean these up now, and then we'll get to applying the wrap. Okay, so one is done. Took about 40 minutes to do. Definitely not as easy as I thought, but turned out pretty good. Definitely helps to have two people. It's really hard to do this with one person, so I recommend you get a friend. So now that we've done that one, this other side should be quicker theoretically, so I'm going to go move over and do the other side now. Okay, we're done this side now. Didn't quite take as long, but still pretty time consuming. Got to give credit to the guys who professionally wrap things. It's not as easy as you think. So now we're going to move on to the reverse lights, and we're going to use some knifeless tape on those and see how that works. Okay, so we just finished up with this side. Knifeless tape worked really well. So you can see you got a nice straight line there. It looks really good. So there's the after, before, after. So we're going to move on to doing this other one now, and I'll give you a look at the rear end when it's all done. So finished up both sides now, looks way better. Decided to do the third brake light up there too. Give you a look a little farther back. So much better. Actually looks like proper taillights now, not cheap Chinese taillights. So it didn't take too long. It was about maybe a 2 to 3 hour job, taking your time. Turned out really well. So definitely if you have knifeless tape, you can do the cutouts. It wasn't that hard. It was my first time using it and they turned out really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Really easy job to make your car look a lot better in an afternoon. So maybe we'll have this car on the channel a bit more. Tell me what you think about this, and you're gonna do it to your car.
Take it easy.